अब तुम बताओ, इंसान की पहले ही फट रही है with any sort of insertion. If somebody shows you this, you are gonna be like, you know what? Not a chance in hell. Today I'm gonna talk about my condition that if you would have asked me years ago, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा embarrassed होती to even use that word. मतलब अगर कोई मुझे पूछता तो मैं topic change करती, मैं pretend करती cool बनने का and ऐसा बोलने का कि भाई ये क्या होता है, मुझे तो ये पता ही नहीं है. But now after years I'm like भाई किस बात की शर्म, किस बात का एम्बैरेसमेंट, मतलब लोगों को होता है ये, एंड अगर नहीं भी होता है इट्स फाइन. यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, यू फॉट इट एंड यू केम आउट ऑन द अदर साइड stronger and now you're confident to talk about it. I'm talking about my condition, vaginismus. Now some of you know about it, some of you have it, and some of you guys will be like vagina what एग्जैक्टली उसी के बारे में आज हम डिटेल में बात करने वाले हैं. अब ये वीडियो को डाइसेक्ट करने से पहले लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग. मैं ना ही कोई एक्सपर्ट हूँ, ना ही मैं कोई डॉक्टर हूँ. आई मीन मेरे शक्ल से तो समझ ही गया होगा. जो भी मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ, माई स्टोरी एंड मेरे अक्वेंटेंसेस के स्टोरीज, इट इज टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट वजाइनिस्मस. ठीक है, ये जो भी है ये मेरी लर्निंग है, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है और मेरे आसपास के लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस है. ये वीडियो के बाद अगर आपको लगता है कि जो भी मैंने बताया वो आप में वो कंडीशन है या फिर आप में वो सारी चीजें है, यू कैन टॉक टू योर डॉक्टर अबाउट इट. इतना कुछ टेंशन लेने ऐसा कुछ बात नहीं है. ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. पहले आई विल स्टार्ट विद व्हाट वजाइनिस्मस इज, देन मैं कुछ स्टोरी शेयर करने वाली हूँ अबाउट पीपल हु शेयर देयर स्टोरीज विद मी, एंड देन आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट माय स्टोरी. आई मीन इससे पहले मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं है, मेरे कुछ दोस्तों को मालूम है, दैट्स इट. एंड टुडे आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इट ऑन YouTube. दैट मीन्स my relatives are gonna see it and then they're gonna be like, oh my god, ये तो गयली है, ये तो lost cause है. I mean ये क्या ये सब बात कर रही है, but they don't understand that talking about these things it's not a taboo, but उनको कौन समझाएगा, पुराने लोग पुराना चावल पुराना ख्यालात. So now let's start the topic. So what is vaginismus? इसमें क्या होता है, the muscles around your vagina or your pelvic floor tightens up involuntarily. I mean even if you are relaxed, even if you are chilled, तुम्हारा बॉडी रिलैक्स नहीं रहेगा, तुम्हारा बॉडी एक डिफेंस मोड में रहेगा. लाइक तुम तुम्हारी बॉडी को बोल रहे हो एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल, जस्ट ओपन अप, जस्ट चिल, बट तुम्हारा बॉडी ओपन अप नहीं होगा. इट्स लाइक कोई भी सॉर्ट ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन आ रहा हो, तुम्हारा बॉडी उसको इजेक्ट कर देगा. ठीक है, तो इसके वजह से क्या होता है, कोई भी सॉर्ट ऑफ इंसर्शन हो, इट इज डिफिकल्ट, पेनफुल और नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. बी इट टैम्पॉन इंसर्शन, मेंस्ट्रुअल कप इंसर्शन, कॉपर टी और इवन पेनिट्रेशन विद योर पार्टनर, इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट और नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. अब इसके वजह से क्या होता है, तुम सोचते हो कि भाई समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद मी, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, मैं तो रिलैक्स्ड हूँ, आई रियली वांट टू इंसर्ट दिस कप और आई रियली वांट टू यूज दिस टैम्पॉन, आई रियली वांट टू गेट इंटीमेट विद माय पार्टनर, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, बट नथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद यू. Remember that. It's just that you're unheard at this point. क्योंकि इतना common है ये issue, but nobody wants to talk about it because I feel we as women, we are conditioned to believe that if we cannot get intimate with someone normally, something is wrong, and उसकी वजह से हमारे अंदर एक वो शर्म आती है कि शिट यार मैं इसके बारे में कैसे बात करूँ, कोई समझेगा नहीं, लोग हंसेंगे मेरे पे, लोग मुझे बोलेंगे यार तू बस रिलैक्स कर, बट मैं तो रिलैक्स हो रही हूँ, मेरा वजाइना रिलैक्स नहीं हो रहा है. एंड वजाइनिस्मस दो टाइप के होते हैं, प्राइमरी वजाइनिस्मस एंड सेकेंडरी वजाइनिस्मस. प्राइमरी में क्या होता है कि जब तुम फर्स्ट टाइम कौन सा भी सॉर्ट ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन ट्राई कर रहे हो, इट्स डिफिकल्ट और नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. सेकेंडरी वजाइनिस्मस क्या होता है कि तुमने स्टार्टिंग में पेनिट्रेशन ट्राई किया होगा एंड इट वाज इजी फॉर यू, बट लेटर ऑन बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट इंसिडेंट्स इन योर लाइफ व्हिच आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इन वन ऑफ माय स्टोरीज, बिकॉज ऑफ दीज इंसिडेंट्स अब तुम्हारा बॉडी रिजेक्ट कर रहा है, अब तुम्हारा बॉडी वो डिफेंस मोड में चला गया. नाउ यू कैन नो लॉन्गर डू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन. अभी जो मैं फर्स्ट स्टोरी शेयर करने वाली हूँ, इट्स अबाउट अंजलि. शी इज अ म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड एंड अंजलि in her childhood she experienced something where somebody crossed boundaries with her that they shouldn't have. Because of that her mind and her body developed trauma. With years obviously she tried forgetting that incident, she tried moving on in life, उसने पढ़ाई किया, उसका कॉलेज खत्म किया and everything, and she was like, you know what, I'm ready to get intimate with someone. But the thing is, जैसे ही she tried getting intimate with that person, she couldn't. And she was like, okay, maybe it's because my first time मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. But उसके बाद भी जब she tried, it was not happening. तो she was like, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है करके, and उसको समझा ही नहीं, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा self guilt and shame में चली गई कि यार why is it not happening? Everyone around me are able to do it. so naturally. मैं क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, you know? But later on, she connected with a right trauma therapist and also a gynec, and that's when she realized कि उसका वो childhood trauma की वजह से उसके body ने एक protective reflex wire किया है. उसकी वजह से any sort of penetration, be it getting intimate with someone or be it you putting any object inside you, it's impossible. And that's when she was like, you know, your body remembers. You know, she was just telling me that, Sonali, it's like अगर मैं कोशिश भी करूँ ये सब भूलने का कि मेरे body को ये सब याद है, because what happened with me was not right, you know, and because of that अभी जो भी sort of penetration कर रही हूँ मैं, it's next to impossible. And she did not give up, you know. She started trauma therapy, physiotherapy start किया उसने, pelvic floor exercises start किया as recommended by her gynec. And with time, she started opening up more. Her body started opening up more. And with time, she was confident again. She was sure कि okay, this time if I get intimate, things are gonna be fine. Or this time if I use a cup or anything like that, things are gonna be fine. So ऐसे भी situations होते हैं because of which it is difficult, you know, to just perform or, you know, penetrate. अब अंजलि के स्टोरी में अंजलि met the right people who gave her the right solution. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि you know what is happening but you don't know कि why it is happening, you know, like what is the condition, क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है करके. ठीक है, अब नीना के स्टोरी में क्या होता है, नीना is trying to get intimate, Nina is also trying to use a menstrual cup or a tampon, कुछ possible नहीं हो रहा है, and she's like, why is this not happening? So obviously she consulted a gynec. She was like, please check down there, please, I really want to know what is happening. And उसको ऐसा solution दिया गया कि नहीं यार, it's just in your head, you're overthinking, just relax more, use lubricant if you want, you know. And she was like, okay, fine, I'm gonna try these things, you know. She tried all of that, and फिर भी her body was not opening up. She was like, Sonali, मैं सब कुछ try कर रही हूँ, जो भी डॉक्टर मुझे बोल रहा है मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ, why is my body not opening up? I mean, मुझे एक फिंगर भी इंसर्ट करने के लिए टेंशन आता है. I mean, it doesn't go inside. ल्यूब ट्राई करी, क्या क्या ट्राई करी, just not going inside. What am I supposed to do? वो इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई. But obviously she did not give up. वो research कर रही थी. She was trying to reach out. जितना हो सके she was, you know, reaching out to different gynec, therapists and other things. Time आने पे she met the right people. They told her कि देखो ऐसा बहुत normal है. And that's when she realized that she has vaginismus. उससे पहले उसको पता भी नहीं था कि she has this condition. Because people were telling her कि नहीं, you just need to relax more, chill, ये वो. भाई क्या है, ऐसा कौन बोलता है? Like I understand, maybe कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि, you know, you don't want to scare the person, तो तुम वो बताते नहीं हो. But इसमें scare करने से क्या है? अभी now see, she got to know what is the issue. And उसको solution दिया गया. She started doing that, the same things, you know. And एक और चीज होता है called as dilator therapy, which I will talk about in the next few minutes. So she started doing things what, you know, people recommended to her, the right people, of course. And within no time, she was able to use a cup. She was able to insert a finger, use a tampon. So I will tell you something, okay? You will know what is happening with your body, ठीक है? तो कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि तुम ready हो, फिर भी you are unable to penetrate. So don't accept just relax more as an answer, or oh, it's just in your head and as an answer, because your experience matters, man. अब ये जो next story है वो एक couple की story है, and I know them personally. अब इनका क्या scene था, when they started dating, they were very eager to get intimate, ठीक है? They loved each other, they were attracted to each other, but for some reason they couldn't get intimate. And जो girl है आकृति, she used to share stuffs with me. तो वो मुझे बोली कि यार सोनाली, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उसकी तरफ attracted नहीं, or I don't love him, or I don't trust him. We've been dating for more than a year now. Of course I do trust him, and he was patient enough. He waited for me. So now I do want to do it with him, but हो रहा ही नहीं है. It's like जैसे ही, like, you know, बाकी सब अच्छे से हो रहा है, foreplay, other stuffs, but जैसे ही बात penetration या insertion या, you know, intimate होने की आती है, नहीं होता है. It's like मेरा muscle वहाँ पे open up ही नहीं होता है. I don't know what to do about it. And even her boyfriend was getting frustrated. Not because, you know, हो नहीं पा रहा था. Obviously that was one of the reasons, but because उसके mind में ये था कि यार, if she's not opening up to me, that means she doesn't love me. That means she's not attracted to me. And लड़कों के mind में ये भरा जाता है. I'm not gonna lie, okay? I have heard this, I've seen this happening in front of me. It's like what happens, you know, if a girl and a boy, they try to get intimate, and for some reason they couldn't, वो लड़के के दिमाग में एक तो उसके दोस्त लोग बोलते कि अरे यार if she is unable to open up front of you, if you are unable to penetrate, that means she is not into you, because when a girl loves boy apparently she should open up, but ऐसा नहीं होता यार. A girl will love a boy with all her heart, but फिर भी she is unable to open up down there, so you need to understand that. और उसके दिमाग में किसने तो वो बकवास भरा था, तो even he was like, oh you don't love me, this that, but luckily with time he also understood and they both consulted a doctor and everything, and that's when they started dilator therapy, जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले मेंशन किया था. Dilator therapy क्या होता है, basically there are set of dilators of different sizes जो तुम्हारे डॉक्टर तुमको देता है, ठीक है. अब जस्ट बिकॉज मैं अभी ये बोल रही हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जाके तुम डायलेटर खरीदो और जो भी हरकत करो, मत करना. मैं अच्छे से बोल रही हूँ, कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर. योर डॉक्टर विल अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी, योर डॉक्टर विल गाइड यू अकॉर्डिंगली, ठीक है. इनके स्टोरी में डॉक्टर ने उनका बॉडी समझा, उनका सिचुएशन समझा, अकॉर्डिंगली वो सजेशन दिया, ठीक है. सो ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि डॉक्टर ने डायरेक्टली डायलेटर्स रिकमेंड किया एंड दे स्टार्टेड इंसर्टिंग डायलेटर्स. इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी. आई मीन आई विल टेल यू, आई विल शो यू हाउ अ डायलेटर लुक्स. ओके, आई विल जस्ट गूगल अ पिक्चर, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, जब मैं मेरी भी स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ उसके बाद, जब मैंने डायलेटर देखा I was like, this is not gonna go inside me. I will show you. एक ऐसे टाइप के डायलेटर्स होते हैं, ठीक है. I don't know if you can see, ठीक है, all different shapes and sizes. और एक ऐसा होता है. अब तुम बताओ, इंसान की पहले ही फट रही है with any sort of insertion. If somebody shows you this, you are gonna be like, you know what, not a chance in hell. But obviously doctors know what they're doing, so you can trust them with that. So anyway, the couple, they started simultaneously small things, you know, जैसे कि मैंने बोला pelvic floor therapy exercises, lower body stretches and exercises, simultaneously opening up, you know, probably finger insertion or inserting something very small as recommended by the doctor, and then धीरे धीरे डायलेटर्स की तरफ मूव करना, डायलेटर थेरेपी करना. डायलेटर थेरेपी में ऐसा भी होता है कि यू नो द डॉक्टर विल ईदर टेल यू टू वार्म योर सेल्फ अप फर्स्ट, लाइक यू नो ईदर यू कैन गो टू द बाथरूम व्हेन यू आर बेथिंग, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर बेथिंग योर बॉडी इज वेरी मॉइस्ट, यू नो, सो दैट्स व्हेन थिंग्स कैन गो इनसाइड. सो खुद को मॉइस्ट रखो, देन धीरे धीरे कोशिश करो इंसर्ट करने का. कुछ ऐसे भी डायलेटर्स होते हैं दैट यू कैन कीप इनसाइड फॉर अ मिनट और टू, तो वो भी एक प्रैक्टिस होता है कि नो यू नीड टू कीप इनसाइड for a minute or two and see how are you feeling. All these things happen. तो उन्होंने वो सारी चीजें ट्राई की, and with time, with patience, with lots of love, effort, care, they could get intimate with each other. So claps for them. But again, love requires patience. Okay, घाई में कुछ नहीं होता. Boys, if you have a girl and if you're going through something similar, listen very carefully. Now I'm going to share another story. After that I'm going to talk about my story. अब ये story is all about secondary vaginismus, जिसके बारे में मैंने start में बताया था, ठीक है. Now तारा के situation में क्या होता है, तारा has a very complicated childbirth. Okay, she delivered her child naturally, like C-section नहीं, naturally through her vagina. Okay, and I don't need to explain in detail, but तुम समझ ही सकते हो कि जब तुम naturally किसी को ये कर रहे हो, it is also very difficult. Okay, a lot of things opens up down there, and you understand. मेरे को डिटेल में जाना, because it's so painful to even think about it. But yeah, that's what happens with her. And because इतना complicated childbirth था, it was like उसके माइंड में एक ट्रॉमा रह गया अबाउट इट, यू नो. एंड इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग दैट आफ्टर चाइल्ड बर्थ इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर वुमेन to even get intimate with their partner. Men need to understand this way more often, because sometimes I see all these reels where men are talking about how they don't find their wife attractive anymore, and how they want to get intimate with their wife but they can't because she just had a baby. Yeah, well, you can't because she had a baby. You need to understand these things, you know. And बहुत सारे incidents होते हैं after childbirth, you know, like depression, traumatic stress, and so many other things. So Tara was going through these things, and even after a year and a half, when she felt that she recovered, she couldn't get intimate with her partner. अब तारा के केस में तो ऐसा तो नहीं था कि वो पहले intimate हुई नहीं है. She definitely got intimate multiple times with her husband, but अभी हो नहीं रहा था उसके साथ. Why? Because of the condition that I told, secondary vaginismus. And it happened why? Because her childbirth was traumatic. Obviously with time, as I said, they did all the possible things, जो solutions होते हैं जो मैंने बताया अभी तक आपको, you know, trauma therapy, dilator therapy, pelvic floor exercises, physiotherapy, stretches, massages and other things. And with time obviously they could, but ये भी ऐसे भी टाइप का situation होता है. So there are so many things we can learn from these stories, you know. Now let's talk about my story. Oh my god, I am pretty confident कि मेरे relatives यहाँ तक तो ये वीडियो देखेंगे नहीं क्योंकि उनमें वो पेशेंस नहीं है, बट अगर उन्होंने देखा तो हाय नमस्कारा इंशाल्लाह एना वीडियो तोले इंक चूरला नाचिगेजी. What I meant, I spoke in Tulu, that is my mother tongue, but in Hindi what I'm trying to say is that yes, namaste, hi, how are you? I do not have any sort of mana maryadi, sharam, because I'm talking about it, because that's what they assume, right? तुम लोग समझ ही गए मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. So let's talk about my story. अब मेरे केस में since my childhood I've been very active in sports, running, cycling, all the जो भी PT teacher तुमको देते हैं, sports, basketball, all that stuff. Then मैं dance वांस भी करती थी and everything. Now what happened is that एक बार ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं और मेरे बैचमेट्स हम लोग एक ट्रिप पे गए थे, एक रिजॉर्ट में, ठीक है, एंड आई गॉट माई पीरियड्स. तो मेरी बैचमेट ने रेकमेंड किया कि why don't you use a tampon instead of a pad, you know, maybe then you can swim in the pool, you know, nothing will happen, it's going to be safe, it's going to be hygienic and everything. And I was like, I've never used a tampon before. And she was like, kya baat kar rahi hai, it's so easy, kuch tension nahi, you just have to, like, you know, spread your legs, breathe, and it will go inside. I was like, maybe okay, it's that easy, kuch tension nahi hai. And remember, isse pehle maine ek ungli tak insert nahi kiya. How am I supposed to insert a tampon? मैंने actually इस पे एक वीडियो बनाया है YouTube में, I think एक साल पहले मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट किया था, but I will just say that again. तो obviously I tried inserting that tampon and हुआ नहीं, because obviously I've never inserted anything down there. How the hell will a tampon go? Then my friend helped me. I always tell her that you are the first person जिसके वहाँ के दर्शन हुए. And she's like, क्या बकवास बात करती है तू. But yeah, she helped me, very kind of her. She was like, you know what, I'm gonna help you. But even when she was trying, it was not happening. And वो मुझे बार बार बोल रही है, सोनाली तू relax कर, relax कर. मैं relax कर रही हूँ. My legs are wide open. What else do you want me to do? But it just did not happen. Okay, and I was so sad. मतलब it did go inside thoda, but obviously it was not properly up there, so eventually I had to remove it. But she did sit with me and she told me, you know what, तू relaxed लग रही थी, you were calm because I was the one with you, so you trusted me, but for some reason your muscle down there was not opening up. Just think about it more, maybe you can do some stretching or something like that. तब मैं कॉलेज में थी, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था ये क्या होता है. सो आई वाज लाइक मे बी आई डोंट नो करके. उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करने लग गई एंड आई वाज लाइक, डू आई हैव दिस कंडीशन? बट देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, सब कुछ जो इंटरनेट में होता है सच नहीं होता, डोंट बिलीव इट. ओके, आई वाज लाइक, ओके लेट मी ट्राई इंसर्टिंग अ फिंगर, मे बी दैट विल हेल्प. फिंगर तक नहीं जा रहा. आई एम लाइक, व्हाई इज माय फिंगर नॉट गोइंग इनसाइड? आई मीन, व्हाई इज इवन दिस नॉट गोइंग इनसाइड? यू नो, आई नो दिस वीडियो कुड बी टू मच फॉर सम ऑफ यू गाइज, सो इफ दैट्स द केस, maybe you can just mute. If you're watching it in the living room, don't do that. Don't watch it in the living room. Please watch it alone with your phones, ठीक है? But I can understand, but ये topic बहुत important है, तो please understand. कितना understand बोल रही हूँ, but yeah, this also not going. तो बोले भाई क्या चल रहा है, why is it not happening, you know? उसके बाद तो भाई मैं इतना स्ट्रेस में आ गई, मैं गायनेक के पास गई. I was like, listen, I want to try using a tampon or a menstrual cup. So she asked me further, are you like physically active? Like, have you been intimate with anybody before? I'm like, no, I have never been intimate. Forget intimate. I have not even masturbated. Like, what is happening? She's like, yeah. So you know, first उसने मुझे कुछ चीजें करने को बोली. Like, you know, she was like, can you try putting your finger, or can you try, like, she gave me a small object and she was like, can you try inserting, will that help? Or even she tried, nothing was going. Then she just sat and she was like, you know what, I do know what is happening here. It's like you are relaxed, you do want to use a tampon or you do want to insert something down there, but it's not happening. It's because you have vaginismus. And that's when I was like, oh. And तुम लोगों को पता है, जैसे मुझे मालूम पड़ा, my friends were asking me क्या है, मैं किसी को बोल भी नहीं पाई, because everybody around me, they were either active sexually or they were using cups and tampons, and here I was who couldn't even insert a finger. So I was so embarrassed. I was like, भाई मैं किस मुंह से बोलूं, इन लोग तो मेरे मुंह पे हंसने वाले. And we were all kids back then. Obviously nobody has that common sense. So हंसेंगे ही मेरे पे. So I was like, भाई मैं कैसे बोलूं? I'm not going to tell anyone. I'm not going to tell anyone. And मेरी डॉक्टर मुझे बोल रही थी, it's nothing to be embarrassed about. With time, you're gonna be fine. Just trust me. And I was like, bhai, I don't know, I don't trust. मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है. Then she was like, you know what, you need to start dilator therapy. जैसे उसने मुझे dilator दिखाया, मेरे को चक्कर आ गया. I'm not gonna lie, मैं almost मैं ऐसा थी और मेरे को चक्कर आ रहा था. And she was like, what is happening? I'm like, how am I supposed to put that? If this is not going, how am I supposed to put that? But she was like, don't worry about it, just relax, and उसने मुझे वही solution दिया कि have bath, body को warm रख, it will be moist down there, listen to soft music, light up candles if that makes you calm, try to give signal to your body that it's totally normal, it's fine, you're safe, because हमारा body जल्दी defense mode में चला जाता है. And then with time, obviously, धीरे धीरे I started using finger, dilator and everything. It took me months actually, but I'll tell you, I was so proud when by the 6th month I could insert the biggest dilator. It felt like a personal achievement to me. I was like, oh my god, I can insert something that big and I'm not scared. Now obviously कुछ महान लोग रहेंगे जो ये वीडियो देख के बकवास करेंगे कमेंट्स में, अभी उनके लिए तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती, मैं ये सब जो बोल रही हूँ इट्स डेफिनेटली फॉर अवेयरनेस. बट आई फेल्ट सो हैप्पी दैट डे. आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, नथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद मी. Like it happened because of XYZ reasons, maybe my body wired that protectiveness, but now I can trust myself, I can trust my hand, I can trust objects, and that made me so happy. I remember calling my doctor and telling her that, you know what, this is what happened, and she was so happy. हम दोनों ने साथ में फोन में सेलिब्रेट किया ये करके. उसके बाद obviously I used a tampon and it was very comfortable, but then with time I realized कि यार tampon is just not for me because I have PCOS and I bleed heavily, so बार-बार वो होता नहीं. So now I'm back with pads. I'm definitely going to try using a menstrual cup sooner because many people around me told me that it's really good for the environment as well as you will be very comfortable. So I'm going to do that. Let me know if you want me to make a video on that, like, you know, sharing my experience. Like I can do like that, day 1 of using a menstrual cup, what I'm feeling, day 4, and then, you know, what is the difference and everything. So maybe I can do that. Let me know in the comments. I also understood ki vaginismus is normal. It's not my body betraying me, it's my body safeguarding me. It's like my body's way of telling me that, darling, you have felt unsafe for a long time, let me protect you. And all I had to do was teach my body again that it's safe. It's totally safe. You don't have to worry, you know. So yeah, I mean, after watching this video, after hearing my story, after, you know, जो भी बाकी stories मैंने share किया, and if you're feeling that, if you're going through that, please know that it's totally normal. And you know, don't try these random internet hacks that you see online. Oh my god, कभी-कभी मैं एक-एक सुनती हूँ मेरे आसपास के लोग का कि they insert some random vegetables and all inside. भाई, don't do all that. Please, girls, young girls, please, if you're in your teenage, don't do all that. It's not safe. I mean, 10 लोग करते हैं कि तुम लोग मत करो, ठीक है. अब ये वीडियो में जो भी मैंने बोले हैं, exercises, dilation therapy and all that stuff, it's legitimate. But again, you need to understand what is normal for your body. Your doctor will know that, okay? So please, after watching this video, if you feel that if you can relate to it, please consult your gynec or, you know, a pelvic floor therapist, because they can guide you better, and with time you can heal. Because if I can heal, even you can heal. Slowly, steadily, you will learn to love your body again. Your body will understand that, you know, things are safe and चीजें better हो सकती है. And yes, with that we come to the end of the video. I really hope you found this video very informative and helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Hit a like. वो hype button है, उसको भी hype करना so that my video reaches more people. And if you think you can share this video with someone who's going through something similar, do that, because I will feel like, भाई, जो मुझे तभी पता नहीं था, जिस चीज़ के बारे में मैं कंफ्यूज थी, एटलीस्ट अभी कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं है, यू नो. एटलीस्ट नाउ पीपल नो अबाउट इट, पीपल नो कि अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं अबाउट इट, यू नो. सो येस, दैट्स माई गोल, दैट्स माई इंटेंट. अभी हम जाएंगे बिकॉज ऐसे सब बहुत ही डेप्थ वाले टॉपिक्स के बाद मुझे लगती है भूख और प्यास, और अभी बज रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 3. मुझे खाना खाना है, मेरे को थोड़ा पानी वानी पीना है, फिर थोड़ा और काम है वो भी करना है. आप भी अपना काम करो. And yes, I will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.